quick-thinking front-end loader operator stepped in and saved the day. This railroad crossing is known for situations like this.
Get out of the way! I've already called 911. The truck is bottomed out. Garfield and Industrial. Push it, push it, push it, push it! The train is coming! Go, go, go! Oh. Just go, keep going, keep going! Keep going!
Good job, loader! There's the cops right there.
He said someone else had already called too. Whew. Why do they make these trailers that won't clear these crossings? I don't understand.
They're low boys.
Well, low boys shouldn't be going through these kind of intersections. They should be on a GPS system or something where they know where they can clear them. Ugh.